Louisiana's subtropical climate is conducive to a wide variety of insects. These many species serve as the research focus for faculty, graduate students, and undergraduates in the LSU AgCenter's entomology department. The research helps keep agriculture in Louisiana viable, homes relatively pest-free, and people and animals safe from disease-carrying insects. And it all starts with identification.
Identification is a huge service. It basically supports all the others because before we can manage an insect population appropriately, whether to control a crop pest or to help recover aquatic insects that are important for fisheries, we have to know what they are.
The department houses the Louisiana State Arthropod Museum. The collection is used to identify and track insect species in Louisiana.
In a collection like this, with something like 1 million specimens, we have really a fantastic archive of the history of insect distributions, presence or absences, the first appearance of some very important agricultural pests.
Louisiana's agricultural community relies on LSU AgCenter entomologists to help manage beetles, weevils, stink bugs, and other insects that, if left unchecked, could cause severe damage to crops. The research goes beyond trying to find chemicals to control the pest.
Much of our research is actually involved in trying to minimize pesticide use for obvious reasons. And in many cases, we can manage crop pests as or more effectively by using biological control agents, cultural practices such as crop rotation, and other means.
AgCenter entomologists also focus on controlling urban pests, such as termites and mosquitoes that threaten homes and humans. But they don't just control insects. They also work to maintain insect populations that are important food sources for fish and wildlife, that pollinate various plant species, help decompose dead plant and animal material, or provide other important ecological services. Insects affect many different aspects of life, and the LSU AgCenter Entomology Department is working to maintain a balance that works for fish, wildlife, crops, and people.